Follow these simple steps to unblock any phone number on your Android device and allow calls and messages to come through again. Start by opening the phone app from your home screen or app drawer. This is the same app you normally use to make and receive calls. Once it is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings Do. This will take you to the call settings page where you can manage different call-related features. Scroll through the options until you find block numbers or blocked contacts, then tap on it. Inside this menu, you will see a list of all the numbers you have blocked earlier. Carefully look through the list and find the contact or phone number you want to unblock. Next to each blocked number, there will be a minus icon or a remove option, sometimes shown as a red dash. Tap on that icon and the number will be instantly removed from your block list. Once this is done, the contact is unblocked and will be able to call or message you again normally. As a helpful tip, some Android devices may slightly change the menu names depending on the brand or software version, but the steps remain almost the same. You can also unblock numbers from recent call logs on many phones by selecting the number and choosing Unblock.